Good morning, students. Open page number 98. So, yesterday we did some questions regarding subtraction with regrouping, right? So, now we'll do some other questions from exercise 2. Okay, so see the first one. There are 3050 houses in a town. 1505 houses are painted red. How many houses are not painted red? So this much of houses are there and this much of houses are painted red color, right? Now how many houses are not painted with red color? That one we have to find it. Okay, so what we'll do here, we'll do subtraction, right? So now we'll write what? 3050. Okay, I will rub this one. So now we'll write 3000 50, and this one we have to subtract it with 1505, right? So now while subtracting, we'll always start from ones place value. So here you can see 0 is there, so 0 is less than 5. So now it will borrow a number from tens place value. So this tens place value will give a number to 0 and this will reduce by 1 and it will become what? 4. Okay, now this 0 it will become what? 10. So 10 minus 5 it will be what? 5, right? Now 4 minus 0 it will be 4, right? Now see the 100 place value, 0, again 0 is there and again 0 is there and 0 is less than 5. So now it will borrow a number from, or I can say regrouping will happen, and it will borrow it from 1000 place value. Now this 1000 place value it will reduce by 1 and it will become 2, and this 10 it will become what? Sorry, this 0 it will become 10. So now 10 minus 5 it will be how much? 5, and 2 minus 1 it will be 1, right? So our answer will be what? 1545. Okay, so total how many houses are not painted red? 1545 houses are not painted red. Okay, okay, now see J part. Jane has 2655 stamps. Simi has 3560 stamps. Who has more stamps? How many more? Now this much of stamps are there with Jane and this much of stamps are there with Simi. Now we know that we compare these two numbers. If we compare these two numbers, we'll get to know that Simi has more stamps, right? Now how much more stamps she had? So for this one, or for this reason, we'll do what? Subtraction. So now we'll write the number 3560, then 2655. Okay, so now see the ones place value, 0 is there, so 0 is less than 5, so it will borrow it from tens place value, so 6 will become 5 and this 0 it will become 10. Okay, this one is 10. So now 10 minus 5 it will be how much? 5. 5 minus 5, it will be 0. Now see the 100 place, 5 and 6 is there. We know that 5 is less than 6, right? So for that one, it will borrow, right? It will borrow it from 1000 place value. So this 1000 place value will reduce by 1 and it will become 2. And this 5, it will become 15, right? So 15 minus 6, it will be how much? 9. And 2 minus 2, it will be how much? 0, right? So total how many stems are there? Or I can say Simi having how many stems more than Jane? 905 stems. Okay. Now see K part. So 3,465 tourists visited a hill station on New Year Day. 1,788 tourists went back on 2nd January. How many tourists are left in the hill station? So total this much of tourists visited, right? And this much of tourists went back. So we have to find out the remaining tourists. So we'll do what? Subtraction. So now we'll write the number 3,465. We have to subtract it with 1,788. So now see the ones place value, 5 and 8 is there. So we know that 5 is less than 8. So now this 5, it will borrow it from tens place value. So it will become 15. And this 6, it will become what? 5. Now 15 minus 8, it will be how much? 7, right? Now we know that next see the tens place value, again same thing happen. 5 is less than 8. Again it will borrow it from 100 place. So this 100 place, it will become 3. And this 5, it will become now 15. So now 15 minus 8, it will be same only 7, right? Now see the 100 place value, 3 is less than 7, right? Again it will borrow. So it will borrow it from 1000 place value. So this 1000 place value will reduce by 1 and it will become 2. And this 100 place, it will become 13. So 13 minus 7, it will be how much? 6. 2 minus 1, it will be how much? 1. So our answer is what? 1,677. Right? So total how many tourists are left in the hill station? 1,677 tourists.